Now?
National Weather Service.
Why
for
now?
County, Cecil, Maryland.
Oh.
What? 2 to 3 feet of inundation above
Damn.
ground level expected in low-lying areas due
only
to
Cecil.
tidal flooding. Where? Shoreline in Cecil County. When? Until 8 a.m. Saturday, especially around the time of high tide.
Why are they doing that?
Impacts. At 4.5 feet, minor shoreline flooding begins near Charlestown. At 6.5 feet, additional roadways near the tidal portions of the Elk River, Bohemia River, Back Creek, and other tidal tributaries
Cecil,
begin to flood.
Maryland.
Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur.
Cecil.
Additional details, tides up to 4 feet above normal. The next high tide at Chesapeake City is at 4:44 p.m. and 5:03 a.m. The next high tide at Charlestown is at 4:39 p.m. and 5:09 a.m. The next high tide at Port Deposit
I'm
is at
doing something
4:11
right
p.m.
now.
and
Bring yourself
4:41 a.m.
upstairs.
Precautionary and preparedness
Those.
actions. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. Advisory.
Cecil coastal flood.